Hello, my sunny babes, welcome back to my channel. So you may be wondering, okay, here's another voiceover video, I wonder what's going on. So if you didn't recognize, I took a week off of YouTube, and I did that just for my mental health, which is so important, and also to commemorate Juneteenth, which was last week. So speaking on mental health, let's talk a little bit. So as you know, there's a lot of stuff going on in the world, and the Black Lives Matter movement is not new, but something that has been coming to the surface is trends that Black women started that they don't get credit for. So you may notice I'm wearing hoops in this video. That is a trend that Black women started, and we actually get bullied for a lot. It's supposed to be called ghetto or hood, and it's just an expression. Honestly, I don't understand why we still get ostracized for the things that we do, but something that we can do in this time is make sure to bring awareness. So I'm also wearing press-on nails because I'm not going to get my nails done right now with everything going on, but you can wear things like this as any color and it be a form of expression. There is nothing wrong with expressing yourself through your style. And so I'm doing this tutorial, and it's really quick and really easy, but also I want to bring awareness and let you guys know that there is no reason to bully someone for them expressing themselves by wearing their nails, by wearing their hair, by wearing their earrings. It is their form of expression, and we were not called to judge others. The Bible literally tells us that it is not for us to judge, but for God to judge. There is no reason why we should be judging other people. So I hope that you watch this video and learn a little bit of something from it, and understand that even though it may not be something that you feel like you can pull off, then that's good, that's great. Find something else to pull off, but do not ostracize people for doing something that they feel works for them. And on the same token, don't ostracize people and then go and use it for your advantage. So like, people will always talk about how Black women are ghetto for wearing hoops, but then people can wear them as a business thing. I've literally seen people wear them to interviews and say that it's supposed to be good for a job interview, but if I wear it, then it looks hood, you know? So just make sure that you're paying attention to those things and not bullying people for what they do. So this is a small, quick video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Just make sure to think about what you say and what you put out on the internet and what you do in your everyday life to make sure that you are bringing awareness not only to Black lives, but people of minority everywhere. Just let them know that they're important. It's more than just, oh, I'm going to post a little story here and there. Let them know that they're important in your everyday life. Let them know that they're important and they're beautiful and they can do anything that they want to. Just let them know that they are powerful and they are queens and kings of this world, no matter what anybody tells them. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Subscribe to what?
Subscribe to our channel.
Period.
Period.